It's almost blueberry season, and have I got a recipe for you? Just to use up those blueberries that I know that you will have available to you. Let's make a blueberry pound cake. I'm going to list the ingredients down in the description box, but I would love for you to come over to Mima's house and watch the full video. It has all the ingredients that you're looking for in a pound cake. The only difference is we arrange it in the pan differently. Come on over, check it out. It's a beautiful cake over at Mima's house. Here's a little glimpse of what we're doing with this blueberry pound cake.